Hello, Epic Gamers. More Animal Crossing today. so, why? So, last time we got Blathers, the the owl. Um, so there's gonna be new stuff in the shop, so might as well check that out. Okay, we got mail. Got mail here. Rank B points. Place in pocket. Let's see, we got okay, we got that. So we got the sunglasses. Yes, it is. Where? Let's see how we look. Oh yeah, totally. That looks awesome. What else do we have? We have this. What is it? Ooh, that looks good. Okay. It looks like your neighbors have got new houses. Now that's cool. It's raining out. I don't know why, but it is. It's not raining out outside right now, but I don't know. Okay, what do you have to offer? What's for sale? Here's what we have to sell. Cardboard, smoker, okay. Oh wait. Oh, so they do have the same stuff. Smoker, I'm not really interested in the smoker. So, yeah. What's here? What's in here? Let's see. Let's see what's here. We have this, 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 this. These are cool. Let's get it. Okay, there we go. Okay. What should we craft? Okay. Let's see. Oh wait. We don't have the shovel. So this is my house. Let's craft like a fishing rod and catch some fish. All done for now for crafting. wait, it's another one of those. Swap it. Let's drop these things. Swap. And then let's drop, let's drop tree branches maybe, and drop the rocks. What's this? Okay, there we go. So we got this now. So what's over here? Oh wait, what is that? Oh wait. Oh, that's new. Net. Walk closely and slowly up. Ah, did it. So we did catch. Oh wait, it doesn't rain on the beach. Wait, yes it does. Let's go in here. Okay, there we go. I believe this is where we get the pole from. Okay. Yes. Yes, that's what it's called, the vaulting pool. I totally forgot. Okay. So we need to put some stuff in our storage room. We're gonna use the vaulting pole, but we don't have it. We need to craft it. So apparently we have the recipe now. Wait, let's see if we can make a vaulting pole now. Flimsy shovel, yes. So now we can craft a shovel. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. So I think we got all we need here. Okay. Let's craft one. There we go, we made a vaulting pool. There we go. Yes, this is awesome that we have this. So we use A to do it, right? Yo, that's so cool. Now we can explore here. Finally, after all these episodes. We're on episode 10. If I'm right, this is episode 10. Can I get up here? I can't get up here. It would be cool if I can get up there. But sadly, I can't get up there. And there's a bunch of flowers up there, too. But we can get this rock. Okay, so let's collect all this stuff. Collect all of it. Use the vaulting pool again. Come on, where is it? Almost. Oh wait, I didn't even do that. Vaulting pool. Okay, we can get across here now. Do we have anything? Yo. Jump. Wee. That's cool. Now we have this whole beach section here. Ooh, there's rocks. There's a rock here. Okay, this is cool. What do we have here? It's a fossil. I know what that is. Oh, that looks cool. I don't want to do that. Yes, we did it. Okay. We good? We did it. Oh, there's another one. No, I didn't do that. No, I didn't want to do that. Okay, be very careful. Okay, another fossil. Looks like there's only fossils in this area. Oh, what's this? Oh, the boat is supposed to be here. So that's how we get the boat. If you know what I mean. So, I think it's time to hop over. There we go. Oh, there's Gulliver. There he is. Come on, wake up. You know what? I know we'll do the truck. Oh wait, I know what to do. Wait, no, I know what to do. No, I don't want to talk to him. Come on. Wake up. No, I don't want to. Oh. Oh yes, he woke up. Yes. I have no idea what he's talking about, but I'll try. 5 parts. So 5 parts of the boat I need to find, he said. A communication part. That's... Oh wait, I found one. This one of them? Could this be one of them? I need to go carefully here. Because, it could be on the beach here. Where are they? Is this one? What is it? Oh, I saw it. I saw it. It's right here. When you always see that splash... Oh, wait. When you see a splash... Oh, wait. When you see a little splash there, that means there's... Oh, wait. Another one? Okay, so we need to find those little dots there, and they could be the communication parts. Okay, there's one there. One right here. Oh, that's not even one. Okay, so where are the dots? Show me the dots. Okay, we could get this. Dude, did you hear that? That was a Mario sound effect. When I got those big bags. The Mario 1-up sound. That's cool. Okay. There could be more communication parts over here. Okay. Okay, there's the stuff. Ooh, money. I can't carry anything else. Wait. Oh, wait. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? So let's put all my stuff here. Hopefully no one takes it. Let's just put it here. Do not take this stuff. This stuff is mine. So, if I see anybody if I don't see some certain things, I will be mad. If I don't, but that's a money tree. I just grew a money tree. That is awesome. I didn't even know that. I forgot they even existed in this game. Vaulting pole, please. Right here. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So now it's time to get this rock. Oh wait, we can't. I might have actually got that one before. Oh yeah, I have. Oh, they might be over here too. sneaky little fossil. That's awesome. So, oh wait. I want to get up here. I can probably use the vaulting pole. No, I can't. I can't use it to get up there. Why can't I? Is there any fossils anywhere here? This looks like a good place to fish. Cool. Use this to go back over here. Me. There we go. I think we got that one. There we go. Well, let's leave that stuff there for later. Let's get our vaulting pole. There we go. Another fossil. There we go. We can do this here. Probably there's fossils over here, if I look closely. Oh, there's two things over here. Okay. So dig right, no, not there. Right here. Oh, it's another one of these things. Again? Oh no! Oh no, dude. Oh wait. I need a place of crafting in these islands here, so I need to get my vaulting pole and go back over. Probably I could use this right on here, in this part of land. Let's go across. There we go. There he is. Is there any more things over here? I don't think so. We could shake the trees and see what's in there. Crap, this is bad, this is bad. Get in here. Yes. Okay, I got in there just in time. Oh, wait. But don't I need stuff to craft? Do I have craft? Can I craft? What is this? Oh, fish bait. Okay. Cool. Hardwood. Need material. Oh, right. I was gonna craft so we need to free up inventory space so we could leave some stuff here. We could leave stuff all over the town. I guess we could drop the fossils, but I can't. So I guess we don't need. Oh, wait. Place item. I'm just gonna place them. Hopefully no one takes them. Hopefully no one takes these two. Actually, no. I'm gonna get them. So I need iron to make the crafting table, and I need wood. There we go. There we go. There we go. 1, 2, and there might actually be bees in the trees here, so I gotta be careful. Because if I get a nest somewhere over here, I'm basically done for. So okay, let's do this. This is what I'm talking about. Get in the house quick. Oh, at the last possible moment. That was like, at the last possible moment, I went in there. That's why I gotta be careful. Craft. I need hardwood. Dang it. I only have one hardwood. So there's all my fossils there. And don't be a bee. Where's hardwood? No hardwood. Hardwood. I'm only gonna pick up hardwood here. No, not an orange. I don't. Fine. Eat the orange. No, fine. I'll drop it. Oh, this tree is growing. I think that was like a pear tree or something. No hardwood. There's hardwood over there. Hardwood. I guess I'll pick up the hardwood. Probably my axe is gonna break. Yep. So I know it's a clutter over here, but I kinda like, I don't want it to be clutter, but I kinda have to because I only have a limited amount of storage. And so I have enough crafting materials, right? So I need to do this, craft this, craft it. Keep crafting. Can we craft? Dude, what if we do this? We need 30 hardwood. No, not happening. Definitely not happening. Can we craft? We need wood. Great. We can. Okay, so we need. Do I have enough for a tiki torch? Oh, come on. I don't have. I have clay. So I guess we'll go to the. I guess we'll craft up the vaulting pole. I guess when I go over here, I guess we'll make a crafting table. There we go. I guess we'll make a craft table on the beach here. Put the craft table down. Place item. So now we can craft. Might as well do some stuff here. Might as well make an axe. Oh wait, I don't have enough materials. Okay, so I need to shake this. And if a bee nest drops, I'm basically done for. I have no stuff to protect me. I'm not trying to make a bee nest fall, I'm just looking in the trees here. Oh wait. Or maybe I could catch the bees. Or maybe catch it. Great. No one will notice, right? I have glasses on. I do have glasses on, so then no one will notice. No one will notice because I have glasses on. Do not be another bee nest. Please no bee nest. Okay, you need sticks. Run all the way back there. Run all the way back. Run. So I think we're gonna wrap things up after I craft something here. Okay, I think that's gonna wrap it up, guys. Bye!